So now with everything covered, I think it's time to actually go over what our final code does. We use a quick function here to access our unit's adjusting variable. If that flag has been disabled, we early exit. The next thing we do is we grab our resource name. We've got a small switch statement which links stats to their resource, as well as the skill counter because energy is only increased by skills. After getting it, if the stat name failed, note our default here, then something weird happened, we gave the wrong stat, just return false. Assuming that was okay, now actually adjust the value, let us know. Down here, this is where we actually adjust the value. We call some quick math here to find the current percentage. We use that function I showed earlier to grab the minimum value. We call both these things before we actually update anything. Now we tally up rolls. In here we do something similar, get the stat. If it fails, just return the max value as it is. Otherwise, count the current stat rolls, cap them, can't be higher than 30, add them up using our RNG rolls. This is all handled using our drop table system. I won't go into that. Basically just a weighted dice that we roll. After our internal dice rolls, we take what we got, making sure it can't go below the minimum. We set our max value to the new rolled value. And now finally, we match the current value based on the previous percentage. This is actually different than how I used to do it. I actually updated it in the midst of all of this, since I thought it felt better. Now we finally set the value. And so there's a new and improved resource update.